Hello there! Today we are going to see how to use conjunctions when we are speaking or explaining something. Are you ready? Well, let's get started. Now, do you ever wonder how great storytellers, presenters, or speakers keep listeners hooked? Well, they use special connecting words called conjunctions and transitions. These words act like a roadmap for their listeners. Also, this works when giving a presentation or just making a speech. There are many transitional words and phrases. Today, we are going to focus on just a few. Firstly, you must always set the scene clearly. For example, firstly, the brave explorer entered the dark cave. This tells your audience exactly where the adventure begins. Then, you introduce the action to build excitement. Then, he heard a loud, mysterious growl echo. Next, you advance the plot to keep them interested. Next, he pulled out his flashlight to see what it was. Afterwards, you explain the immediate result of that action. Afterwards, a tiny, harmless puppy ran out into the light. Finally, you wrap up your story with a satisfying ending. Finally, he laughed and carried the puppy back home. Now you try to tell a story using these 5 words to make your next story unforgettable. After that, you can try to use other transitional words and phrases. By the way, as always, have a look at my next image, and could you tell me where I am? Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!
Speak English with Susan.